What's up, guys? So, we're now here in school. Kasi, totoo lang is wala talagang klase yun. But, nahuli na kasi yung pag-announce na suspended ngayon. So, nag-klase pa rin kami, even na suspended dapat ngayon. So, we're still here in room. Yung mga classmate namin umuwi na, but kami hindi pa kasi wala rin naman kaming gagawin dun sa boarding house namin, and then masyadong boring, tapos nagaulan pa ng konti. Yan, nagaulan pa ng konti, tapos my sister, she's doing her report, and Pasmira, TikTok is live. I'm just vlogging because I'm boring today. I don't know what I'm going to do. I have a lot of report, but I'm not doing this time. Kasi nga maulan. And then, parang nakakatamad pag maulan yung araw. Tapos gumagawa ka lang ng report. Gusto ko lang ginagawa. Pag ganito is nanonood ako ng mga American drama or movie while I'm drinking coffee. Tapos minsan, pag may mga word dun na hindi ko alam, kinasulat ko yun sa notebook ko. Then, after I'm watching it is, I'm going to search it. Kung ano ba talaga yung meaning ng word na yun na hindi ko alam. So, by the way, I'm here in Chami at Cotabato. So, this is one of the school here in Cotabato that provides a balanced education. So, ang course po namin dito is BS Ed. So, major in English po. So even na major in English kami, we're not really fluent on how to speak the language po, the second language, which is English. So, karamihan dito is mga Arabic, yung mga nag-aaral dito, mga Arabic yung pinag-aaralan nila. We're only one course here in Jamiat na BS Ed. Meron din naman yung isa, pero yung ABIS. Pero para rin siyang Islamic Studies din yun siya. So, kami lang talaga parang, ewan ko ba na OOP ba kami dito or something. But, we're now in third year. So, hope na malampasan namin yung mga struggle, yung mga challenges na madadaanan namin. So, yun lang po. Bye!